Welcome to From Chaos to Control. Episode 2. Embracing the Wisdom of Mindfulness. Here we will unravel life's secrets relating to efficient use of time. In today's episode, we will embark on a robust exploration of the concept of time and how our understanding of it shape our lives. Time, an intangible force that governs our daily life, often leaves us pondering its nature. It seems to slip through our fingers, fleeting and elusive, yet very influential in shaping our experiences. Our perception of time is not merely a measure of seconds, minutes, and hours, but a lens through which we interpret the world and our place within it. Our perception of time can be subjective, flexible, and influenced by various factors. Have you ever noticed how time seems to fly when you're engaged in an activity you love? In a similar way, it drags on endlessly during moments of boredom or discomfort. These happenings show a clear picture of what happens in our mind as time passes by. In other words, the question could be asked: what picture could our mind paint for us in these two scenarios above? The answer is effective use of time. In the first scenario, a man is engaged in an activity he loves that gives him great returns in terms of satisfaction and other values. Meanwhile, the man in the second scenario spends endless moments or time in boring and uninteresting activities. Therefore, he sees time as an endless pendulum that swings on without bringing any tangible or meaningful satisfaction. The philosopher Seneca once said, "It is not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste a lot of it." These words hold a profound truth. Our understanding of time can greatly impact how we choose to live our lives. If we view time as a scarce resource, constantly running out, we may feel an urgency to accomplish more, to seize the day and make the most of every moment. However, in our quest for productivity and accomplishment, we may unknowingly fall into a trap. The pressure to maximize every second can lead to stress, burnout, and a loss of presence in the present moment. We become so focused on what lies ahead that we fail to appreciate the beauty and richness of the present. That is, we are always fantasying about a great future when we have not spent adequate time in the present to prepare for the unseen future. What if we change our understanding of time? What if we embrace the wisdom of mindfulness, of living fully in the present moment? When we cultivate an awareness of the here and now, time takes on a new dimension. It becomes less of a ticking clock and more of an expansive canvas, where each passing moment holds infinite possibilities for growth, connection, and joy. Mindfulness teaches us to slow down, to enjoy the present, and to appreciate the richness of each experience. As we make ourselves familiar with the present moment, we discover a great sense of gratitude for the simple joys that often go unnoticed in the rush of daily life. By this I mean there are certain and few and sometimes many pockets of wins, added value we get by making efficient use of time in the present. If we slow down and enjoy those victories of the moment, we could have a bank of winning ways that we can draw from any time we are faced with a task we must complete in record time. Other benefits of embracing the present is unlocking the transformative power of time. This could help us to develop a deeper understanding of ourselves, forge authentic connections with others, and embark on a journey of self-discovery and personal growth. Rather than chasing after an elusive future, we learn to find fulfillment in the here and now. So, as you reflect upon your own understanding of time, consider how it shapes your life. Are you rushing through the minutes, constantly looking ahead? Or are you enjoying the precious moments, fully present and engaged? Remember, time can be harsh on us all if we don't play by its rules. If we see time as a canvas upon which we can paint the masterpiece of our existence, we will find ourselves gradually becoming masters of time. Join us next time on episode 3 From Chaos to Control as we continue to explore life's profound mysteries and unlock the timeless wisdom that resides within us all. Please subscribe to this channel and ring the bell to get notified of the next episode. Thanks. We appreciate you all.